Hey guys, it's John, ReelBlue Custom Rods, and welcome back to the channel. And today's video is on the rod blank extension tool. I will have a link in the description below if you're interested in picking up one of these. If you do not have one, after you hear why I think kit right here is pretty important, depending on kind of your workspace and what you've got going on. So let's dive into that. Hey guys, the rod blank extension tool is a pretty important tool to have in your rod building kit bag for a couple of reasons. The first one is if you're building any type of rod that is a multi-part blank rod, so if it's not a one-piece rod, it's a 2, 3, 4-piece blank, this tool will come in extremely handy. And the second reason why is that if you have a very small rod building workspace, meaning if you don't have a spot that can accommodate a 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 foot rod blank, then when you are applying the finish to your ferrule wraps, this tool will come in very handy. Your blank just kind of slides over it. You can lock it down with a small piece of tape on the top side as you wrap it around, and then you can add your finish to your decorative wrap here. But again, this is a great tool to have, the rod blank extension, if you're working with multi-part blanks, and if you have a rod building workspace that is small and cannot accommodate those larger size rods if you were to put all the blanks together. So I hope this helps. Take care.